Okay guys, Assalamualaikum. Selamat malam, good evening. Malam ni saya nak review serba sedikit pasal BMW E23 yang baru sampai, yang condition agak 50-50 also. Dan the reason I review for this car, walaupun tak siap lagi, is unfinished and didn't start yet. Just untuk info to the audience that a few things, a few parts there, and then what I need. So basically the E23, the chassis and the body is in very good shape and very good condition. Less rust, no rust at all, thank God. So maybe we only change on the front part, on the balance and on the lower balance, but on the paint job it might be I restore back, having a cut and buff and polish, also wax. So in terms of the engine condition, almost quite good. Maybe just little maintenance, little change, a few part, a few hose, a little of servicing. And then this car having trouble with the fuel tank. The fuel tank having a little rust inside the fuel tank, so it might be jeopardized with the fuel pump, the upper and the lower fuel pump. And then also I need replace two doors on the left side, front and rear, because having what we call that, a rod, having a little rod on the lower part of the door. On the quarter panel, on the rocker side, I didn't have any rust and only having a dent over there on the middle section. On the interior part, I need a dashboard, a little bit of a door trim, maybe need to service the aircon first. Steering I will restore back. Anything else on the mirror also I will buff and polish. Other things, I need 4 new tires. On the rear part, bushing and all the trailing arm bush, the axle bush, the suspension part, maybe the shock I need to change. Also I might be a wheel bearing, rear brake disc, maybe I just having a skin. Rear brake pad also must be changed. Rear caliper also must be serviced, maybe changing all the seal. Also together with the front part, the suspension, the shock, the ball joint, all the tie rods, steering box, it might be will be serviced also. The front disc also must be skimmed. Front brake, the caliper also will be changing the seal. Wheel bearing also might be changed. Other things, like all the chrome piece I will polish and buff. And then also all the front and rear logo also I will change. Other things, the headlamp maybe I just restore back because it's quite aging. Other things, front bonnet also having a paint job a little bit. So guys, anything we do this restoration E23 is not about business, more into helping other person, and then make this old classic car at the glory time, so we can see on the road having a good condition, having the what we call that, happy time. The things I need, both right and left, what we call that, front signal, front signal cover, and then the front license plate holder. Other things not more. The interior just a little bit, only a little bit. So guys, anything comment, anything suggestion, do you have parts, you can contact us. You can personal message me or my brother on the KILPRO YouTube channel. So anyone, if you like to help us or dirty your hand, you can contact us also. Just came into my area in Klang. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Other things, so thank you for supporting us. Thank you for supporting us from E23 BMW Club, and thank you so much guys, I very appreciate it. Okay, bye.